Hello, people of YouTube. Haha, making another cooking video. Sorry, can't get that voice up. Welcome back to another video. It's midnight here. Today we're going to be making another cooking video. Today we're making a little Spanish dish. Well, I've been told that it is one. Called Conchas. So, yeah, it's basically soup, but whatever. So I've been working around this. So you see in the corner over there, the pan. That was banana bread. I made it yesterday and everyone seemed to like it, so they ate it all. So maybe that's gonna be the next video. Anyway, I should probably start making the conchas. Probably. Well, you need a cap full of oil, vegetable oil. And you kind of need to stir the pot. Oh no, I think I broke it. Oop. I'll be right back. Okay, so, put the oil in. We mixed it all around, so now it's everywhere. You can really use whatever noodles. You can use these bowl ones, or there's another kind if I can find it. Hold up. Give me a second. Where is it? These the elbow ones. They're basically noodles for macaroni. That's what they look like. Yeah. I'm just gonna. I mixed them up, mixed them around. Should probably turn on the heat. Come on, there you go. So now, I have the spoon. We have a whole big mixing spoon thing for mixing. I don't know why. Probably because mostly everyone in my family cooks. It's the thing we do. This noise is probably really loud. So I'm sorry for your ears. Right now it's a little difficult because I'm one-handing this recording. Which means basically using one hand for everything. Just like half so far. You want to wait until they get a nice golden brown at the bottom. But yeah, I have been trying to upload more for you guys. It just hasn't been going very well. Who's not going? Yeah, it hasn't been going very well since I have a lot of things, working on a bunch of animations to be sending out. There's one called Abyss, so look out for that one. I'm kind of really proud of that one. Basically what it is this guy walking around. The floor breaks beneath him, and then he falls into an endless void. I just thought it was a really cool animation idea. But that's what's next for my channel right now. The animation. Might be doing some gameplay. But yeah. Next, you add the tomatillo sauce once they're golden brown. Ooh, that sizzle. And to not waste any cups or anything. Oh, let me mix this real quick. Next. Kind of mix it together. Believe me, this might, fog. This might look a little weird, but it's gonna end up really good tasting. And I'm proud of myself for doing it. So, whatever. Mix tomato sauce in there. Should act as the water until we get the water in. Oh no, battery. Usually you'll add like 5 cups of water, so 1 cup, 2 cup, 3 cup, 4 cup, 5 cup. Mix it a little bit. Yeah, cause why not? Once it bubbles a little bit, you I keep on slipping to the voice, but I can't do it for long. You will want to stir the soup. Stir the witch's cauldron. Haha. You have these noodles. Look at them. Give me one. Well, they have these. Unless they're fluffy and they're not crunchy, then they're not done yet. They have to be crunchy. Then they have to be not crunchy and fluffy. There's some in there that aren't, but probably because I haven't added main ingredient yet. Haha. Camazole. So if you have this, don't add much of it. You need some for the soup, but don't add much of it. Because if you add a lot, then it's going to be too strong. It's going to taste bad. But yeah. Now you add the stuffs. Chicken. You only want to put a little bit. Because again, this stuff is strong. And it will taste really bad if you don't have a lot. Oh no. I think... No! Actually, I don't think that was enough. See. Might have been a little bit. No, Mom did see. She just didn't care. Because she knows I cook a lot already.
No, I'm talking about,
There you go. Nice enough.
talking about the soda.
Okay. She kind of watched my videos and you just told her. Whatever. No. Ooh, juice, sauce, a little bit of flex. Can't sing that song because it is copyright. I'm testing a noodle. That's smoky.
I only found one tray of these.
They need to sit a little bit in the water. And I'll add a little bit more of this stuff. Because it doesn't have that good of a taste yet. Or you can't taste it. There you go. That should be enough. Wait. Put some in. Don't be shy. Put some more. Put some. Thank you. I just put some more in there. Hello. You smell the delicious foods? Doggo. Doggo. No, doggo. Doggo, don't leave. No. Doggo, no. Doggo, let me. Oof. Smoke. I smell smoke. Could be good. As long as it's not in the screen. Stop it. Stop. Yep. Bad. Stop smoking. Smoking's not good for you. It's not good for you. Big spoonful. Yummy. Now I'm going to test another noodle. Please can sit in here for a little longer. Give me the noodle. Thank you. Yum yum. Look at the noodle. Nope, still a little hard. Die. I'm stirring the pot for evil plans. Give me a Pikachu. I am Meowth. Meowth, that's right. I don't know why I'm doing voices. I'm just getting a little bored. But the soup will turn out great. Turn out delicious. What?
Some more soda.
You know Mom watches my videos sometimes, right? Just to see what I'm doing, so I'm not, just so she knows I'm not doing anything bad. And you kind of said soda. Whatever.
What?
Not my funeral.
I put.
You put what?
I didn't say soda.
Oh, she didn't say soda, apparently. Bubble. All the effects on the screen, it just looks like it's being bass boosted, and those are the music notes, like boom, boom, Are you eating the rest of my banana bread? Yeah. Hold up, you eating the rest of my banana bread? I hate you. I didn't get any. Probably in my next video, I'll make it in a week or so. Or not my next video, I'll probably make more between that. But I'm probably gonna make it in a week or so, so it's not, we don't eat it all the time. A little longer. It's a little crunchy. I don't think I added enough. I'm not tasting any of that. Just put more.
Some more.
Don't be shy. Come on, stop being shy. Stop. I think I put a lot. Oof. Now it's gonna taste too much. That's fine. I'm sure it's fine. I'm sure I won't taste something that's not supposed to be in there, like a lot of it, and then fog, and then just like throw up. Right? It'll be delicious. Welcome back. Okay, we're gonna be making soup. This is soup. Okay, Conchas. Look at the little noodle. Oh, you find a buddy. Hello, buddy. Yeah. This is what happens when you're bored and you're making soup because it smells good. Give me some of that soup. Ooh, look at your noodles. No, phone, don't die. I still have to record more. Why does this take forever? Yes, finally done. Right when my phone was about to die. Well, so it's done, and that's how you make conchas. I'll see you back. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.